Hello. This is my project for the competition in Kiddie Coders. So first of all, I'm going to be telling you what each piece of code does. So first, I am importing Pygame, which actually allows me to make it a game. Next, I'm creating all the necessary variables for my game. So for example, the different x-axis and y-axis and the different colors I'll be using. So then we have the sprite code, and here we have all the different codes. So that's basically telling us how to make it look like. Here we have the speed of it, so it actually is able to move. Here we have to update it. So for example, if I move left, it would move that amount left. Then here's the initiation of the code. Then here's the screen width. So there's actually like a screen in the background. And then the caption is test. Then background.jpg, which is the name of the image that I have saved. Then the player, which is player.png. And then running equals true. While it is running, it will do all the different keys and how much everything will move. And then player update, which is to update it whenever you move. And then there's the background position, there's the sprites, and there's the displaying, and there's the frames. So if we click run, as you can see, there's an alien in space. So if you click up arrow, goes up, down arrow goes down, left arrow goes left, right arrow goes right. And yes, you can move anywhere. You can also move diagonally. You can disappear, go down, disappear again, go diagonally, and yes. So yeah, that's my competition project. It's a moving alien in space.